To use the fresh water on board your vehicle, first turn the water pump on. Once the water pump is on occasions when the system is not pressurized, you will hear a humming noise of the water pump. It will last for a few seconds and then it will stop, indicating that the freshwater system is pressurized. And then, very simply, just like in your house, you can use the cold or you can use the hot water. Now, I'm not sure if you will pick it up, but you can hear the water pump humming, and now it's stopped. And that's obviously a normal phenomenon. When you open the freshwater tap, the pressure is decreasing. The water pump is now running to keep up with this pressure and allowing us to use the water obviously in the vehicle. When you turn the tap off, this water pump will pressurize the system, as you can hear again, and it will stop running.